Hello and welcome to Take It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can deactivate threads from your phone. Open your Threads account and then click on your profile, which is in the bottom corner. Then click on this button on the top right hand corner and then go to account. As you can see, there is deactivate your account. You can press on it and you can delete or deactivate your account. If you deactivate your account, you can get it back, but if you delete it, you might not get it back. So you can go ahead and click deactivate, and then you can ensure that you are deactivating your account by clicking deactivate again. It will take a while and then you'll be logged out. This is how you deactivate your Threads account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.